So are you also running a library? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow, and in this video we are going to understand how to build a WhatsApp chatbot for your library. So like you, I'm also running a library and we regularly receive user queries on WhatsApp, but this is such a time consuming and a tedious task to reply to those same WhatsApp messages over and over again. So to solve this problem, I've simply created a Pabbly Chatflow WhatsApp chatbot, and now whenever my user is going to send me a message, an automatic reply will be sent towards my user. So if you also want to create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your own library, then for that you have to come with me towards my screen. Welcome to my screens. In this video, I'll show you how to create a WhatsApp chatbot tailored for a library. From checking book availability and managing due dates to sharing event updates and issuing reminders, this chatbot can streamline communication, boost engagement with your readers. So yes, let's build it together page by page. So yes, as you can see that I have already created a WhatsApp chatbot for library right over here. So first, I'm just going to show you the proper working of this WhatsApp chatbot, and to show you the proper working, I'm just going to open my WhatsApp, and let's see, I'm just going to type and say hey right over here. So I'm just going to type hey, and I'm just going to send them this hey, and once I'm just going to send them this message, it is saying hello and welcome to the city library. Please choose one of the option below to get started. If I want to browse the catalog, I can go towards this browse catalog and it is going to respond me accordingly. If I want to see the new arrivals, I can go towards this new arrivals and it is going to respond me accordingly. And further, if I want to view the upcoming events, I can go towards this upcoming events, and over here it is going to share me the details for the same. And further, if I want to get the membership, I can go towards this get membership button and it is going to respond me accordingly. And further, if I want to contact the library, I can go towards this contact library button right over here and it is going to share me the contact details. So yes, not only sending and receiving a WhatsApp messages, but this chatbot is solving all my user queries and also redirecting my user towards the website. So yes, this is the powerful WhatsApp chatbot which we're just going to create in today's video. And if you also want to create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your own library, then for that you have to watch this tutorial till the end. So to do this, I'm simply going to open a new tab and I'm just going to open the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow simply by searching pabbly.com/chatflow in my browser. So I'm simply going to search for pabbly.com/chatflow in my browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. And after opening this landing page, over here we are just going to get two options. One is sign in and the another one is sign up for free. So if you are a new user, you can click on the sign up for free and you're going to get 100 of stars free every month to explore the application. But over here, I am an existing user, so I'm simply going to click on this button which says sign in. And once I'm just going to click on this sign in, it is opening all Pabbly app. And over here, you can see all the tools and applications offered by Pabbly. And over here, I'm just going to use Pabbly Chatflow today because I want to automate WhatsApp conversations. So I'm simply going to click on this access now right over here to access my Pabbly Chatflow account. And once I'm just going to click on this access now, it is going to open the dashboard of my Pabbly Chatflow account. And over here, you have to add a WhatsApp number in order to create a WhatsApp chatbot. So to add a WhatsApp number, you simply have to go towards this add WhatsApp number. Over here, you're going to get two methods to add the WhatsApp number. A video tutorial dedicated towards both of these methods have been attached in the description box below. You can refer to that video and add your WhatsApp number. I have already added my WhatsApp number, so I'm just going to show you over here. And I'm just going to move on further on creating a WhatsApp chatbot. For that, I'm just going to go towards the left side of the bar of my Pabbly Chatflow account. And over here in the left side of the bar, you can see all the features offered by Pabbly Chatflow. And if you want to learn about any of this feature in detail, a video tutorial dedicated towards each of this feature has been attached in the description box below. You can check it out. Today, this video is only going to focus on how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your library. So for that, I'm just going to go towards this flow section of my Pabbly Chatflow account. And after coming over here towards this flow section, I'm just going to go towards this add flow button. And now it is going to open a window something like this in front of us. So first, I'm just going to name this flow as this WhatsApp chatbot for library. And now over here to start the flow, we have three options. Either we can use keywords, regex, or we can choose a template. So over here, if you want to start this flow with the help of a template, you can go towards this choose template. You first have to create a template, and when Meta approves the template, you're going to get the option to select the template. And once your user is going to reply to that template, automatically your flow is going to get triggered. The next which we have is regex. So regex are regular expressions which help your WhatsApp chatbot understand what a user is trying to say by matching specific keywords in their message. And the third one which we have is keywords itself. So here what is going to happen is that when you enter some keywords and whenever your user is going to send you those keywords, the flow is going to get started. And to add the keywords, you simply have to type the keywords and then press enter, and whenever your user is going to send this keyword, automatically the flow is going to get started. But today I'm just going to start this flow with the help of a regex. So over here I'm simply going to enter my regex pattern, which is this. So you must be wondering why I have entered this regex pattern. So once I use this regex, what is going to happen is that whenever my user is going to send me anything, be it a long paragraph, be it a short paragraph, be it a single line or a single word, whenever my user is going to send me anything, the flow is going to get started. So you can also use this regex to start your flow whenever your user sends you any message. So yes, now what I want is that whenever my user shares me anything, I first want to share them these three options. So to do this, I'm simply going to drag and drop the connection from this flow start, select the content type as text plus button, and I'm just going to enter the message for the same. And over here in this message, you can see that I've bold some text. So to bold this text, I'm just going to add stars in the starting and in the end of the text, which I want to bold. So you can also simply add the stars in the starting and in the end to bold the text. And over here in this message, I'm just going to add three buttons. One will be for browse catalog, the another one is for new arrival, and the third one is for upcoming event. So one by one, I'm just going to add three buttons for browse catalog, new arrivals, and the third one will be for upcoming event. So as you can see that I've successfully entered all of these three buttons right over here. And now one by one, I'm just going to set up the message for all of these three. So we're just going to start with this browse catalog. For that, I'm simply going to drag and drop the connection, select the content type as text plus button, and now I'm just going to enter the message for this browse catalog. And over here, I'm just going to enter the message, and in this message too, I have added two buttons. One is for get membership and the another one is to contact the library. So I'm just going to add both of these buttons right over here, which is get membership and contact library. And now I'm just going to move on further. Now I'm just going to set up the message for this new arrivals. I'm simply going to set up the message for this new arrivals, which is something like this. So I'm simply going to drag and drop the connection, select the content type as text plus button, and now I'm just going to enter the message for this new arrival. In this message too, I'm just going to add two buttons. One is for get membership and the another one is for contact library. So one by one, I'm just going to add two buttons right over here. Now I'm just going to move on forward, and over here I'm just going to set up the message for this upcoming events. I'm simply going to drag and drop the connection, select the content type as text plus button, and enter the message for this upcoming event. Once again in this message, I'm just going to add two buttons of get membership and contact library. And now after adding this, I'm just going to move on further. Now I'm just going to set up the message for this get membership. I'm simply going to drag and drop the connection, select the content type as text plus button, and now I'm just going to set up the message for this get membership. I'm simply going to enter the message, and now I'm just going to connect this message with all the buttons with set get membership. And now in this message too, I'm just going to add a button of this contact library, and now we are just going to set up the message for this contact library. For that, I'm simply going to drag and drop the connection, select the content type as text plus button, and now I'm just going to enter the message for this contact library and connect it with all the buttons with set contact library. So as you can see that I've successfully connected with all the buttons with set contact library, and with this we have successfully completed our WhatsApp chatbot for library. And now I'm just going to show you the proper working once again. For that, I'm just going to save this WhatsApp chatbot. I'm just going to go towards this save, and as you can see that we have successfully saved this WhatsApp chatbot. It is saying flow updated successfully. So with this, we have successfully saved this chatbot, and over here I'm just going to test it in real time. For that, you have to keep in mind that this button should always be switched on. And I'm just going to open my WhatsApp. I'm just going to clear the previous conversation, and it's just going to start fresh. Let's say this time I'm just going to send them a message of hey, I need help. So I'm simply going to type hey, I need help, and I'm just going to send them this message. And once I'm just going to send them this message, automatically the bot has got started, and now it is saying to choose an option from below. And further, whenever I'm just going to select any of these options, it is going to respond me accordingly. So yes, with this we have successfully completed the WhatsApp chatbot for our library, and now it is going to run in real time exactly like I showed you in the starting of this video. Whenever my user is going to message me anything, automatically the bot will get triggered, and further it is going to solve all the user queries from WhatsApp itself. So yes, with this we have successfully completed the WhatsApp chatbot for library, and now I will suggest that go and try this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your own library, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only this, but with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, you can create multiple chatbots which are tailored to your specific business needs. So now if you have any questions, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow.